about, I'd say, this distance. And you want to start the jokes.
Knock.
Who's that?
Dwayne.
Dwayne who?
Dwayne the bathtub, I'm drowning.
Do you have any more funny jokes?
I've got 5. Ow! I hurt my toe.
Oh! Maybe you should get a tow truck then.
How many doofuses does it take to change a light bulb?
I don't know. How many?
1 to hold the bulb, 2 to move the chair. Knock.
Who's that?
Ding.
Ding who?
Stop being a ding dong, it's the doorbell. Knock.
Who's that?
The investigators.
The investigators who?
We ask all the questions around here.